Hi everybody, Professor Amachi here. I wanted to go over Lab 8245 on the initial setup. If you're going to be doing this in Packet Tracer, you will want to follow these instructions here to make sure you have the appropriate interfaces and PCs hooked up. Okay? By default, the routers here, these are the 1941 routers. By default, they come as on. So you'll want to turn off every router and grab one of these HWIC2Ts. These are serial interfaces. So you want to grab a serial interface and drop it into the slot there. And after you do that, you can turn the router on. We're going to do the same for router 2 here. So we take the WIC. Yeah, so you can't do it unless it's powered off, right? So drop that into there and power it on. And same with router 3. Be sure to power it off first. And do that. And power it back on. Okay, the regular PCs, the hosts here, they come default with fast Ethernet interfaces, right? And despite any of my trying to drop in a fast Ethernet copper or a gig copper, no matter what I do, this seems to only default to fast Ethernet, right? So we can get around that by doing this. Going to a server, dropping a server in, and we will get rid of the PC here. Okay, so go into the server, and what we're going to do is choose the copper gig Ethernet interface. So we'll grab one of these. We'll have to turn the server off first, of course. Copper gig Ethernet. So we will want to grab this and drop it right in there. So see, that's the network module 1 copper gig Ethernet, right? And this one, could probably get rid of it. Okay, and we'll turn the server on, and we'll see the interface is gigabit Ethernet. So this is what we want here. This is also going to be PCA. Okay, do the same thing for this one, and then this one here. So this is going to be called PCB, and this one is going to be called PCC. Same operation, turn this off, get rid of this NIC, and then go with the copper gig Ethernet. Drop that in. Turn server back on, same with here. Gig Ethernet, and drop that in right here. Okay, let's cable everything up, shall we? So we're going to do our serial interfaces first, and it's going to be serial 000 to serial 000 on router 1 to router 2. Okay, And it looks like the DCE is over on the R1 side. So this is the DCE over here. Connect it to serial 00 and serial 000 there. Over on this side, looks like DCE is over on router 2 and it's serial interface 1. Okay, serial interface 1 goes to serial interface 1. Okay, DCE is over on router 3 and this goes from serial 0 to serial 1. So put the clock down over here, serial 0, and then up to serial 1. Okay? Let us cable up the servers. Let's go here. It's gig 00, and it's going to be the same over here. Okay, so this is how to cable everything up. And the next video, we're going to go through labeling everything, okay? All right, thanks.